Hi guys, welcome to Manoeuvre. In this video we'll talk about CET 2020, what score you should target in CET 2020 and top 6 colleges through CET score, and finally salary package which is of year 2019. So let's get started. Before that, if you want to start your CET 2020 preparation, so we have launched classroom program for all the Mumbai and Maharashtra aspirant. To join Mumbai Borivali Center you can call on this number. For Mumbai DADAR Center call on this number, and for VASAI call on this number. But if you are not Mumbai or Maharashtra based guys, you can check out our online program. Kindly visit manoeuvre.com. For any assistant you can call on this number. So top colleges through CET is JBIMS, we all know this. Average package this year it was, and the score which is required in MBA CET exam will be around 145 plus marks out of 200. So if you are scoring 145 plus, so you will be surely getting into Jamnalal Bajaj. Second number comes SYDENHAM. Average salary this year placement was 10.97 lakhs. I'm only talking about the average salary guys, because highest salary always high and very few people end up with the highest salary. But through average salary we can make the estimation about the college. And the score which is required in CET exam for SYDENHAM, 135 plus marks out of 200. So if you want to get into the SYDENHAM, 135 plus marks you have to target. Third rank college is SSC-CGL through CET score. CET score required for it 130 marks plus out of 200, and yeah, average salary is nothing but 10.87 lakhs, almost near to SYDENHAM. So if you are targeting SSC-CGL, your CET score you have to target 130 plus. So this is what the rank 3 college through CET. Fourth position come WELINGKAR, which is in Matunga, Mumbai. Average salary package is 8.5 lakhs, and score required for WELINGKAR is 125 plus marks out of 200. So your CET score will define whether you will be going for the PGDM or the MMS program. For MMS cutoff will be higher, but for PGDM it will be a bit lower, but fees will be higher for the PGDM guys, and for MMS fees will be lower. So need to understand difference between the PGDM and MMS program with respect to the fees, score and course curriculum. At fifth position comes SIS. Average salary package for SIS is 6.8 lakhs per annum, and score required for SIS in your CET exam will be around 120 plus marks out of 200. And the last, which is nothing but the sixth position, comes DALMIA, which is in Mira Road. Average salary package is 6.5 lakhs per annum, and score required for DALMIA is 120 plus out of 200. For DALMIA it lower down to 116 also guys, so 4-5 marks will be difference between the SIS and DALMIA, but yeah, this much you have to target for DALMIA. So there are the other colleges also, like Pumba, Pune is there, IES is there, Chetna is there, St. Xavier is there. There are the other colleges through CET, but these are the top 6 colleges which have a bare minimum 7 lakhs plus average package, you can say. So if you are preparing for CET 2020, so I would say just watch this video, see the salary package, what are the cutoff required for particular college, and start your preparation accordingly. So think like this guys, after scoring good marks in CET, getting into the college, and 2 years MBA program will give me this much of salary package, or maybe more than this. So think about the reward guys which you will be getting after getting good score in your CET exam. Fine, so if you want to join us for the classroom program, you can join Mumbai Borivali Center, call on 9076424208. For Mumbai DADAR Center, call on 730436682 or 81. For Mumbai VASAI Center, call on 7045313787. But if you are not Mumbai or Maharashtra based, you can check out our online program. Kindly visit manoeuvre.com/MBA entrance. Same link I have given you in the description, so please check the description guys. For any assistant you can call on 8828581455, and do hit the subscribe button guys for more videos about the MBA CET 2020, and do share this video to all your friends through Facebook and WhatsApp so that they can also join us for the classroom program or the online program. All the best and thank you.